What's up, everybody? It's your boy Hvacroddy. Just want to tell you guys thank yous for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Keep up with weekly content.
How you feeling today? I'm just riding my way to wherever it takes me. Teas in my taste. Can you picture a place where there's peace and grace? I leave the blueprints on my steps you can trace.
So we have the crawl space, and this is probably gonna be the craziest crawl space I have ever done. Like, what the crap, bro? Is this like, why is there wood? Why is there? Bro, like, why is there wood right here? Oh, shit. At the dog right behind me. I don't know if he's gonna come in here with me or what. I don't know, buddy. You can't come in here. Oh man, the dog is in here. All right, another house, another crawl space. Throw that in there. Throw that in there. See what we work with. Oh, not that bad. Take the filter out. To be honest, that filter is not that bad, but she still wants me to change it. So do what the customer says, you know. All right, finished with that. Now I gotta get down there. And I really notice that that's look like it's been open, which lets me know at one point in time there was an animal down here. So last crawl space was I had to leave because of mouse, but that's just because I was alive and running around, and I ain't supposed to be doing all that. Yeah, so something definitely used to live down here, because you can tell by the walnut seeds. Well, usually what happens is if it's like a mouse that's up there, there will be like poop droppings and food. But if there's like just food droppings, it usually means it's like a squirrel or a chipmunk, and they just come down here to eat and then leave on with their day. So it's not that bad. I'll take a chipmunk over a rat for sure. But yeah, so let me get started on all this. Alright, so just finished up on the maintenance. Time to head out. So we're all good. Long trip. Let's get out of here. And we crawl another day. Alright, it's a weird crawl space. It's in the closet. Now we're going to show the house, but it's in the technically still a crawl space. And is there lights? Wait, nope, let me get my phone up. Use the light. The unit is all the way down there. Holy smokes. Alright, gotta go grab the tool bag. Oh crap, it's not full X, so I can't move that. Yo, that's a unit is Thankfully, there's no, well, as of now, there's no bugs, but there's a plank. Okay, that plank is not, in there with screws. So, how are we gonna do this? Kind of a fail. But there goes in it. It's a heat pump. So actually, this is flex. That's good. I got a little wood area I can pull in. I'm gonna put on the mat. And there's something underneath. Nothing underneath. So I gotta do like a little hand on that. Open it is on. So I get out this guy. Throw everything down there. And got my tool bag down there. Alright. Tool bag. I don't know why I feel more comfortable on these than I am on this. So I actually gonna move over some on these because at least I know these are more stable. Move this one. Move to this one. That one. That one's pretty okay. I'm gonna have to twist and get over this. Yeah. Right. Secured the bag. I'm gonna move the bag right down here. This over there. Now we just gotta hop over this. And now we go over under. So, same house from earlier. Cross space again in the. This time it's underneath. Oh man. Oh, look at that big spider web. I'm gonna look for the unit. I have no idea where that could be. Unit's back there. I don't understand how they even got the thing back here. I really don't understand how they got the unit down here. Oh yeah, they went this way. Put my mask down, so. Oh man. It's outside. Some maintenance, heat pump. So I really just got my meter in my pocket. Yeah, screw. Nut driver. I was gonna just check the oxy and get the crap out of here. So I didn't bring my tool bag, just the tools. I'm just looking around, making sure Ain't nothing down here for me. Yeah, seems alright. So I'm gonna get started on that and record when I'm on my way up. Alright. So we about to head out. Let's get out there. Make sure I don't drop none of my tools in my pocket. Actually isn't bad getting out as it was. Snap in my head. Just look at this. Heck, I'm supposed to crawl out this without getting dirty. Oh no, if I get dirty, I don't want to mess my clothes up. No. Ew, that's soggy.